Hi, I'm Justin Barber, professional paint contractor. Today I'm going to show you how to use Benjamin Moore's Remove Finish Remover to strip this deck and prepare for stain. Before you begin, make sure you have gloves and goggles ready. You don't want to get remove on your skin. You'll also need a pump sprayer, a stiff bristled scrub brush, a bucket, a garden hose, and plastic if you need to mask off the bottom of your house like I did here. Before you start, spray surrounding plants with water. Remove's concentrated, so follow the instructions on the container and mix appropriately. You can apply Remove with a pump sprayer, roller, or brush. I'm using a pump sprayer here so I can cover a lot of area easily and fast. Let the remover sit on your wood surface for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how tough the old finish is. You might need to re-wet it to keep the remover working. If Remove dries out, it won't strip all the old stuff. Once the remover has visibly broken down the old finish like this, and you can see it working, scrub the wood with a stiff bristle brush following the grain of each piece. Don't damage the wood grain by scrubbing in a bunch of directions. Once you've stripped all the old finish, rinse off the remover with the garden hose. The final step before staining is to wash it with a rinse of Brighten to neutralize the remover. This also lightens the wood and prepares it to take stain. Now just let it dry for a few days, then you're ready to stain. I'm Justin Barber. Thanks for joining me for this look at Benjamin Moore's Remove Finish Remover.